I just couldn't have one at Martin. So I could have had one with the company I'm with now.
Had what?
One of these trucks.
You could have got one of these at your old company?
Yeah, but not at Martin though.
But the company you have right now? You could have got one of these trucks at the company one? Man, these trucks.
I like these though. Not for me. I could have one of these at the company I'm at now.
Dad, doesn't it mean everything?
Like the legacy seats in there.
But Dad, doesn't it mean everything that's in there falls over?
Right. Like I said, I was just always worried about them because it's like, if you hit the brakes hard enough, it's going to go forward.
So it got cam locks on the back of it.
Right.
You know, so whenever you sit down, the lock. So a lot of times you gotta hit a button inside for the lock to unlock.
That's another long nose freight. Oh, that's the newer. These are the newer long nose Freightliners. So I'm more interested in that than I am about the truck.
I don't want something like that.
That is crazy right there.
You drifted around. I don't want that.
I think the same person owns the truck. It's an international.
Two car carrier tractor trailers that were revving their engines and they took off.
That's a super sleeper. I don't know how many inches. It's like a 150.
I'm talking about the two car carrier tractor trailers that rev their engines.
This is dry van. I don't know how much actual work he does with it. A lot of these guys go from show to show, truck show to truck show.
Or are these really trucks that
They're
can
like
activate?
some type of weather patrol trailer.
But Dad, are these trucks actually able to drive?
Yeah.